bago ka lang dito sa channel ko, please hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko. John is turning 24 today. Happy birthday to my eldest son. Sophia. John had his early birthday present to himself. Let me see what you got there.
2 box.
What is it, John? Actually, it's a...
Well, keep that real.
Alright then. So we will unbox in a minute, guys. And I'll show you what he ordered online for his birthday. Birthday niya sa 15. 15. Okay.
Is wishing a happy birthday to you. Today's your birthday, your most special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget all your sorrows. It's time to rejoice. Today's your birthday, your most awaited day.
Okay, so guys, we have an unboxing parcel today. Ayan. In-order ni John sa online nung isang kahapon lang. It was very quick. They said it will come after 3 days. Pero, ayan, dumating kaagad. Binili niya to para sa kanyang birthday. So, tignan natin kung ano yun.
Okay, this one first.
Yeah, what's that?
I
Okay,
think this is the I'll show you now.
we'll see.
Yep, I knew it. This is the strap for it.
It cost him about...
There you go.
Oh, come closer.
Wait,
We'll
no.
see. What
This
is that?
Oh, yeah, it is.
Let me see. What is it? Okay. What is that called? Oculus. What is that for? From
Oculus.
Facebook. Yeah, Oculus from Facebook. Thou made from Facebook, is it?
Yeah,
Okay, so shall we?
that's the strap. This part.
Okay, the strap.
But I'll show you on the aside.
The main one. Is that the main then?
Teka lang. This is the main one that you wanna see. It's just slides. Ta-da!
Okay. So what does it called? Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Oculus Quest 2 is still from Facebook. So what is it for actually? What is it for? So it's just like what do you call that?
It's a virtual reality.
Oh, they called virtual reality. Ano daw? You can use that kung manonood ka or maglalaro.
Yeah, manood, lalaro, basically pretty much everything.
So pag ilagay parang nasa ano mo na. Let me see what's that. I will.
At the back.
Okay, I will. Okay.
What's at the back of it?
What is that? Oh, the thing is a Beat server. Okay,
yeah, that's a popular one.
Okay, if you just open it and we'll see. Me, myself, haven't seen one of this. So, maybe I will try as well.
Yeah.
Kung paano gamitin.
Pause mo muna mo. Kasi...
Yes, here, AA batteries. We should have a AA batteries, I think.
Yeah. Recording na ba, ma'am?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Anyway. There you go.
Okay.
Put that aside.
You need to think, okay.
Yeah.
Clean it though. I put them.
Oh.
2,000 years later.
Okay, we'll see what's that. So actually, is Facebook selling them? Is it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's on Facebook. You'll see. Woo! Alright,
You see?
here it is.
I will zoom it. All right. So, okay. So if you take them one by one, and
Okay, first the controllers. Oh, that's all light actually.
is that for if you do gaming? Is it?
Or moving around
Okay.
because I'll show you now. This is the controllers for it. And this is the
Is it not heavy? Is that
Yeah.
heavy?
it's not
Heavy, yeah?
heavy. It's not heavy.
So
it's
we
just the front.
the one that you put it in your eyes, is it?
Yeah. This is the camera that detects
Okay,
everything.
you can assemble it and we'll see how it looks like when you put it on. You just like a thing then.
No. Wait.
Why would you like to wear that? Oh my God. Is it nice? Is it really nice? It's like a 3D, is it? Or I don't
Yeah.
know. Kung 3D ba siya?
Yeah. It's like you're in it.
You're in it. That's why they said virtual reality, is it?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I need to try that as well.
In a way. It's not on my
So there is a strap, and why did you need to buy an extra strap?
silicone cover. That's nice.
So you need to cover that one
Yeah, for this thing.
for that, so that you won't, so
Yeah.
that it's more comfortable, is it? Oh, so that's the lens, is it?
No sunlight on lenses. So hold on. I'll just put it on so you can see.
Yeah, there is a strap, but apparently the strap is not, according to his friend, the strap to
Yeah.
come itself is not that comfortable. So John bought an extra strap for it.
That
All
one.
right. Oh my God. So you will
It's
be just
actually
like,
light.
oh my God, you will be actually like that when you were watching or using it, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my Lord. All right, so let me see then what. So what is another one there? What is that inside there?
That's the strap for this.
No, there's one thing left on the,
Oh, this?
yeah,
It's an eye spacer.
ice spacer. What do you mean ice spacer? Put it like,
You put it here.
oh, you need to read the manual. I'm scared. How about is there any radiation? Because it will be just too close into your eyes. That's what I'm worrying about. What is it? What's that inside there? What is that?
No. Oh, that's the charger.
Power. It's the power.
There's no people have been using it for hours.
So these are the contents of this VR reality thing. So inside the box, we got the VR headset, silicone cover for facial interface, 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries, power adapter, glasses spacer, and a charging cable. Ayan. So this one is the extra strap that Jan bought to make it more comfortable is the Quest 2 Elite strap. Yan. I didn't realize that Facebook is making them now. Facebook. Okay. So that's what they're using for if they gaming or playing. Look. Yeah. Okay. So he bought it. John bought it for himself for his birthday. That's the good thing. If you got a job, you can buy what you want. Okay. So that's all about it, guys. So this is how John look like when he's playing with this new gadget now, visual reality that they call. So at the moment he is playing like a military game, simulator game. Yan. So the thing is, the good thing in this is just like you are inside, you are in it, the play that you are, the game that you're playing. So that's what it's just like real. So that's the good thing with this. But I'm not sure about the thing really, if there is a side effect, because it's too close to your eyes. I don't know if there's a radiation in that, within that. I don't know. But yeah, so he's enjoying it. Look. Yeah, so it's nice for himself. He bought this for himself as a birthday gift for himself. So I think he deserved it. Yeah, so I'll try later as well. So yeah.
There.
Can I try as well, please? Playing?
Yeah, I mean, you need the controller.
Like you are just a Nino.
Yeah. Ganyan ang VR.
Oh, this is really nice. But oh, look at that.
Diba?
But I cannot see there's
Wait.
no game.
Aning ko, i-set up ko. Teka lang.
Oh.
Set up ko
Something in
muna.
front is just like, huh?
Stop ko muna.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining me in my premiere. Now let's welcome my channel members. Please do connect and support to all of them as they are all very legit and very supportive. Thank you very much. Bye. Watching. See you soon in my next vlog. Keep safe everyone. Bye. Today's video